Right. Well, concerning my last video about the dishwasher air gap, had a question about the air gap. What's the purpose of it and why is air? As I had a kinked hose the other day that replaced this hose. Well, what happens is you've got the drain line from the dishwasher, okay, goes up to the air gap, and that separates the connection, and then the drain drains into this hose that goes into the disposal. Well, what happens is this breaks the connection, similar to a sink trap or a vent in like the air conditioner line, where it changes the connection this way. The reason of it is that if your sink backed up, all that dirty water doesn't go into your dishwasher. This way there's a break in the drain line connection, so that as the water drains, it goes through the air gap and then goes into the drain. Now, through this hose, if the water backed up from your trap, then it could conceivably go into the dishwasher, but having that gap there separates the drain line so water doesn't siphon back in. And that's the purpose of the air gap. Hope that makes sense. I thought I'd explain that to a friend. The air gap for the dishwasher, what does it do? People have tried to go without them, and it's not a good thing. Again, it's all that dirty water, if it ever backed up, can go right into your dishwasher. So, this is the dishwasher air gap.